The 1053 LNER service from Newcastle to London King's Cross. There's a 169. Replaced it again. 1055 for the wrong page. 1104 service from Doncaster up Decoy to Benton. And yeah, just have platform now. So whose it is? It's probably DB's though. Yeah, with something behind it to help replace the East Coast main line north of Newcastle. No, it's GBRFs apparently. So it means it could literally be anything on it. Oh, I've got it. I know exactly what it is. And you can probably make it out yourself by now. It's the bin man. Bins to take away the shite. Oh, it's like it's low-level hoppers. To 6783, the flying shit pit. Benton. (1105) for the 1109 LNER service from London King's Cross to York, and the Highland Chieftain, the 1113 LNER service from London King's Cross to Inverness. So that yet again replaced alarm sounds like it's going to start fucking blowing sometime soon. Look at me. Oh yeah, Whiskey 10's been platformed because he's calling today. He's a pick-up passengers only. So are pretty much all of the Edinburgh bounds today, probably even the Newcastle bounds, are pick-up only here. You can't take them from London or intermediate stations to leave at Doncaster. And in a few weeks' time, that'll then apply to all of the Leeds bound services, including that of Harrogate and Bradford, where you can only join here, you can't leave here unless it's coming back. So it is basically alienating a lot of the travelling peoples, because it isn't going to be made clear. Right, so the York train's now left the station. So it says the state of this barrier. So most of the back end's missing, and it's been split where the black tape is. That's why it sways like fuck, even though it's still connected to the box. That's a 91 on this. It's nothing special though. Tom's not redrawn it yet either. One that used to be about Scotland, now it's about nobody. Right, let's become a dwarf. Or Zandal said, we're already there. It's on the Invo. That makes sense. Right, 101, Flying Scotsman. To 11 for York. When's the next one leave the station then? 2 minutes, I'm going to get back over. It really does get tighter every time. 11 10 for the Highland Sheet and the 1113 LNER service from London King's Cross to Inverness. Sort of a thing pulling in down there. Ah, it's a Leeds train, so they're about to go again the other side. I'm gonna have about 25 hours for it. It's becoming ridiculous again. It's coming as bad as the degree it was when I was here during a signal failure, quarter mile up the line at Bentley. They put down 15 minutes before a train came down there. They blamed it on the signalling issue. It wasn't directly involved in it. Leaving platform. No, should I stay or should I go now? Because I don't neither. Alright, looks like double yellow over at Arksey there, so we're waiting for Shaft home to give it the green. They're about to go down for 2, as one just approaching Addick now, it's another non-stop. They're down for 2, 1 to leave, 1 to come. Yep. Here it comes, just up there. Oh, that's 2012. $800,109. Inverness via Carlisle and Edinburgh. So we're arriving to Edinburgh the wrong way round. And what the fuck are we staying for now?
I'm joking.
Echo 07 over at Fenwick. He's miles away. When's he due, you might ask? 5 minutes. Okay. I'll be back over once these fucking cunts move. It's like self-torture, this is. But why were that replaced about like twice in the space of around a year? Absolutely ridiculous. What a waste of resources. Like, yeah, the cheapest fucking thing here made, but bugger me. I mean, you can piss through them. Ooh, properly stinks of bin shite. The way things go here. What are you getting for Christmas? What are you doing for your new year? Other than hoping the world is a better fucking place by then. Sarcasm, because it won't be. You know, I'm just going to zoom behind. We can watch some Leeds trains in action because there's piss all happening up here until this other one gets from Shaft home. It's about to come through those barriers is Alpha 25. It's a 91 set from Leeds to London King's Cross. $82,213 there to lead it. For Neville Hill Rake 13. And 9107 Skyfall. And we're going to keep looking that side because nothing's going to happen here anytime soon because they've next got 1 Delta 08 London King's Cross to Leeds. $801,222 there. Oh, Wells is approaching shortly, that's good then. Are they going up? Ah, goody. That's back to this shit pit as the train is only just at bloody Arksey now. And Arksey has gone up. Which is good because there's no other immediately obvious train. I hope. Fenwick. Yeah, next one is at Templehurst. That side. And Rossington the other side. There's a gap after this, thankfully. Not really, no. Yeah. Yeah. Doing it for 8 minutes. And most of the waits for this one. Plus it can go straight through, that's fine. But it is crawling though. Also leading by front pantograph. 0108. The London King's Cross. 8.5 minutes for 2 trains. What the hell's going on? The 11:31 Lumo service from Newcastle to London King's Cross. 03001. Lumo for Newcastle only. Monaco 08, Newcastle to London King's Cross. It's got the wrong name on it though, it's 801224, Bradford. For London King's Cross. So we went up to let a van through, but Arksey stayed down. No, Arksey's gone up as well, I think. Yeah, I saw a car down there, so they went up as well. Right, 11:55 for, that's the wrong page, you great big twat.
11:55 for
the 11:56 Network Rail service from Derby to York.
2Q70, and they said 40 there.
Where does it go via, please? Right, after this it goes to Selby, Hull, Leeds, Selby, York, Doncaster, York. It looks so stupid, don't this side of the main line? And it's going thin end first.
To be fair, it's not much better with a light loco, is it though?
It basically is a light loco,
Yeah.
with seats.
With seats. Light locos have seats?
Only for the driver, obviously.
And other seats. They have like 2 seats per cab, don't they?
Something like that, yeah, first and secondments. But then this just has a quarter row of seats still. Right, routing clear as far as Shaft home. And they've gone again, so we can't leave even if we wanted to. Cock and balls. 153 311.